Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing and signing in. This syncs your files and permissions. Once signed in, enable offline access so your edits save locally when Wi-Fi drops. Now open the Google Docs app and tap the plus button to create a new document or tap an existing file to load it. This first step gets your workspace ready, ensures autosave runs, and reduces interruptions. Make sure you allow necessary permissions, because that's how Docs accesses files, keyboard input, and attachments. You'll now perform the core editing actions, use the on-screen keyboard, or connect an external keyboard for faster typing. Select text to apply styles like heading 1, bold, or bullet lists because consistent styling speeds later navigation. To add content, tap plus to insert images, tables, links, or comments. This keeps context clear for collaborators. For hands-free input, open Tools and use voice typing. Once done, check the Format menu to ensure spacing and alignment match your intended layout, which improves readability. Finish by sharing and exporting so your work reaches others. Tap Share, choose editors or viewers, and copy the link for quick access. Export using Share and export to PDF or Word when you need a fixed format. Once shared, monitor comments and accept suggestions to finalize content. If files won't sync, first toggle Wi-Fi and cellular, then force quit the app and reopen. If that fails, sign out and back in, and make sure background app refresh is enabled. This usually restores sync without losing edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.